The KIIRA Motor Assembly Plant, located in Jinja, is going to be the first of its kind in the country. The first automotive assembly plant is now at 60% completion and estimated to be completed by June 2021, with an output of over 5,000 vehicles per annum. A team led by Dr. Eriodat Mwesije, the Minister for Science, Technology and Innovation, together with the Parliamentary Committee on Science, Technology and Innovation, made an oversight visit at KIIRA Motor Vehicle plant site at Jinja Industrial and Business Park.
Uganda is spending over $450 million on the importation of motor vehicles. It's the second largest call on our dollars. Most of the income from coffee, and we spend the same income or same dollars on importation of vehicles. What is even more hurting, that the vehicles we are importing into the country are 16 years of age and above. And therefore, by having such an assembly plant, it is going to liberate us from having to depend on foreign supplies of motor vehicles and thus spending and sparing our dollars to something more critical.
It should be noted that the President, Yoweri Museveni, passed a directive to stop the importation of buses in the country. KIIRA Motors will be assembling electric vehicles, which will go a long way in reducing on the pollution in the country, hence healthier population. KIIRA Motors also has plans of venturing into other vehicle type assembling.
We are also going into negotiations with some partners, especially from Japan, in order to be able to manufacture pickups. The country and especially the government departments are importing a lot of double cabin pickups from outside Uganda. And yet we can also have capacity to make pickups within Uganda.
The government allocated 100 acres of land at the Jinja Industrial and Business Park and a seed fund of 143.7 billion for the period of 4 years, from the financial year 2018-2019 to 2021-2022, meant for the assembly shop and plant office, power and water distribution system, plant circulation roads, among other undertakings.
That by June next year, we are able to have both the infrastructure, the equipment, and the personnel that can be able to make nearly 5,000 buses every year.
We are talking about jobs, direct jobs that will be offered to Ugandans by this project. But we're also looking at forward and backward linkages in terms of suppliers to this. People are going to make parts and supply them to to KEMC. So we think that it will have a multiplier effect.
KIIRA Motors Corporation is to champion the development of domestic automotive value chain for job and wealth creation in line with Uganda's Vision 2040. Zahara Bigaba, UBC.